ZUoS is an energy services platform which provides intelligent control down to the device level. As the world transitions to net zero, we're more dependent on variable renewables, providing less flexibility to turn power generation up and down to match demand. Rather than paying wind farms to stop turning, why not pay people to use that cheap green energy? ZUoS can make that happen by providing flexibility through turning demand up and down to match generation. ZUoS analyzes day-ahead energy prices, carbon intensity, and hyperlocal weather forecasting to optimize energy use and balance the system. By focusing locally, we provide visibility and control to allow more renewables, low carbon heating, and EV charging to be installed within each community. More renewables, more flexibility, less carbon, less cost. ZUoS, the future of energy.